Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to make a perfect chocolate cake. We'll see what are the ingredients needed for that. First we need 400 grams of powdered sugar and 375 grams of flour, all-purpose flour. And here have 25 grams of cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of baking soda and half a teaspoon of salt. We need 150 grams of extra marble and 2 teaspoons of vanilla and 3 large eggs, 150 ml of milk and half glass of hot water and half a cup of coffee. Instant coffee or any coffee you can take. First you take the butter and beat it well. Cream the butter and add the sugar to this. Add the eggs, 3 large eggs. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla and after that we'll add the milk and again little beat. Add this all ingredients to flour and shift it and add to the cake batter. Now we'll add the flour to this mixture little by little, and when we are mixing this batter you preheat the oven for 160 degrees for 10 minutes. Add little by little flour and mix like this. Add the half a cup of coffee to this batter. glass of hot water. Now enough. Now we mix well this one. Now we can go to the tray. This is the tray. We'll pour the mixture into this tray. Tap like this 2-3 times and keep in the oven. Preheat the oven for 160 degrees for 10 minutes, and after that you keep this for 30 to 40 minutes. In between you can check it if the cake is baked or not. Check it, put a toothpick and check and see. After 40 minutes we can see the cake like this. Decoration, I took instant whipping cream and cocoa powder. I put the 100 grams of instant whipping cream powder and add some 100 ml of cool water, and I beat that all, and we must add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and again here is my cake. I divide into 2. Now I am going to sandwich this cake from this whipped cream. We must put this one up to this. Now we cover the up part of the cake. We will cover the up part of the cake. the glaze icing, I took 100 grams of cooking chocolate, dark chocolate, and 1 teaspoon of gelatin and little water. We are adding the water to dissolve the gelatin and stir it. I made this chocolate glaze by cooking chocolate. 100 grams of cooking dark chocolate and 5 tablespoons of icing sugar, 4 tablespoons of milk and 1 teaspoon of gelatin. I dissolve it in cold water. After that I add to this cooking chocolate and I double boil it and made like this. And after that we make as liquid. We must keep in the fridge and let it to cool. After that only like this we can see it. See the chocolate glaze. Now add this chocolate glaze top of the cake. Like this we can decorate the cake after the glazing and keep in the fridge for 1 hour. After that only you take and decorate like this.